No, you're the cop.
You're the cop.
No, you are.
You are. Okay, so ice cream.
Oh. Give it back to him, okay? Hand it down to him.
It's melted on my hand.
Okay, on the other one.
I better sit somewhere else. I hate this stuff.
On the other one now. On the other one now.
No, you can't. Because you threw it at me. You threw it at me. If you wanted it, you could have kept it.
Put it back in. Oh, no.
I just wanted to see how you reacted.
You can eat that. No. You can eat it. No.
What? Well, you threw it at me.
What? You want another ice pop?
Yeah.
What happened to your first ice pop?
You can reach it.
What?
You can reach it.
I can reach it?
Yeah.
I can reach it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right there.
Why is it? What is it doing here? But how did it get here? I know you want another one, but can you tell me how this one got here?
Because I don't have Sonia.
You threw it at Jonah?
Yeah. Now they come out for here.
Do you think that was a good idea?
No.
No? Why was that not a good idea?
Whoa. There's another ice pop. Another ice pop.
Can I see a boo-boo face?
Another ice pop.
Show me a sad face. Show me a sad face.
No, another ice pop.
Can you show me a happy face? Now show me a sad face. Oh, you're smiling. You can't smile when you show me a sad face. Show me a sad face.
Another ice pop day.
Okay.
No.
Please.
No.
So you can have another ice pop again, okay?
No.
Another ice pop!
Don't listen to Jonah.
Another ice pop.
I'm crazy.
What? Another ice pop! Another ice pop. There's another ice pop!
Hi, Sawyer. Sawyer Bean. How come you're being so nice and quiet?
Oh.
Hot. Don't touch. Don't touch. Stop. Sit down.
How does this say us?
Memphis. Sit. Hey, Booger. Sit, butt down. No ice pop then.
Ice pop.
Whoa, because somebody's not listening. You can't have an ice pop if you're not going to be a good listener.
Another ice pop.
Well, then sit your tush down on the chair.
So you say no ice pop.
It's another ice pop. No.
Yes. Say puppy.
Puppy.
Sawyer,
Puppy.
Sawyer, how do you spell your name?
Puppy.
How do you spell your name?
I'll put your name.
How do you spell your name, Sawyer? S?
E.
Yours is MEMPHIS, not MES. Maddie said MESS.
M-S.
It's MEMPHIS. MEMPHIS, not PHIS. That's just this.
So I thought I smelled something.
But what?
How about your
without
name,
the A?
Joe?